The deep ocean represents 96% of all habitable space on Earth, and it is teeming with awe-inspiring life. As our human influence extends ever deeper into the ocean, there is a growing need for effective and sustainable management to safeguard this remarkable environment for current and future generations. This can only be achieved if its management is informed by the best available science, information, and knowledge. Over 60% of the ocean lies beyond national jurisdiction, a space shared by all. The deep ocean, encompassing depths greater than 200 meters, represents the vast majority of this space, and is characterized by a wealth of diverse ecosystems and species that provide critical services to keep the rest of our planet healthy. As society increasingly looks to the deep ocean for resources, the impacts of human activities extend into these remote ocean areas. But historically, the near absence of mechanisms to enable cooperation, comprehensively implement area-based management measures, assess the environmental impact of human activities, or ensure that all states can benefit from scientific research, posed a major obstacle to the conservation and sustainable use of marine biodiversity in areas beyond national jurisdiction. A new international agreement, adopted in June 2023 under the United Nations Convention of the Law of the Sea's overarching legal framework, now provides an opportunity to address these issues.
Ladies and gentlemen, the ship has reached the shore.
This treaty is called the Conservation and Sustainable Use of Marine Biological Diversity of Areas Beyond National Jurisdiction, known also as the BBNJ Agreement. It addresses four main issues: marine genetic resources, including access and benefit sharing considerations, area-based management tools, including marine protected areas, environmental impact assessments, and capacity building and the transfer of marine technology. Fundamentally, each of these issues is intrinsic to the deep ocean and its biodiversity, underscoring the critical need for decision makers to have access to the best available deep ocean scientific information and knowledge to help inform and guide their decisions. The Deep Ocean Stewardship Initiative's BBNJ Working Group strives to connect deep ocean scientific knowledge with decision makers, historically throughout the agreement negotiations, and moving now towards ratification and implementation. As a network of deep ocean experts spanning disciplines and countries, DOSI supports delegates with any and all deep ocean information needed throughout the BBNJ process. This historic agreement offers an opportunity to ensure the conservation and sustainable use of the abundant biodiversity that lies beyond any country's jurisdiction. Including the wealth and wonder of life in the deep. If you work in marine science or governance and are interested in sharing your expertise to inform and support the sustainable management of deep ocean biodiversity beyond national jurisdiction, join us in the Deep Ocean Stewardship Initiative, advancing deep ocean science in policy.